Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPCL) has announced that its Port Harcourt Refinery in Rivers State has commenced crude oil processing. This was disclosed by the Chief Corporate Communications Officer of the company, Femi Shonaye, on Tuesday. Shonaye revealed that the refinery will operate at 60% capacity and process 60,000 barrels per day. Port Harcourt Refinery begins production. Truck loading starts today, Tuesday, he announced via his X handle. He continued, "Today marks a monumental achievement for Nigeria as the Port Harcourt Refinery officially commenced crude oil processing. This groundbreaking milestone signifies a new era of energy independence and economic growth for our nation. I say congratulations to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the NNPC board, and the exceptional leadership of GCEO, Mele Kyari, for their unwavering commitment to this transformative project. Together, we are reshaping Nigeria's energy future." Tuesday's move ends a series of failed deadlines for the commencement of production at the refinery in Nigeria's oil-rich Rivers State. Meanwhile, NNPCL gives no specific dates to complete Kaduna Refinery's $741 million rehabilitation, emphasizing that the NNPCL is also working tirelessly to bring the Warri Refinery back online soon. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates on this developing story.